here we know it's parabola, probably facing up because it's a positive. Okay, so let's choose numbers. Let's choose x to be 1. We'll find out what y is. So x squared is 1 squared right here, plus that 1, so 1 plus 1, you get 2. So your ordered pair is 1, 2. Okay. Next one, choose 2. So 2 squared add 1 is 4. 4 add 1 is 5. Okay. 0, always choose 0. 0 squared add 1 is 1. So your ordered pair is 0, 1. Then choose negative numbers. Choose negative 1. Negative 1 squared. Add 1, that's 1 plus. So it's negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. Notice the pattern. Next one is, if you put negative 2 squared is 4, add 1 is 5. So 1, 2, 2, 5, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, and negative 2, 5. Once you graph a lot of these, you'll start seeing a pattern. They're always symmetrical. Okay. So here, do the same thing. I'll choose negative 2, 0. Okay, negative 2 as your x, you need to find your y. So 2 times negative 2 squared, that's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so your ordered pair is that. And then negative 1 is your next one. So 2 times negative 1 squared. Okay, that's 2. Negative 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. You always do this first here, negative 1 squared. That's negative 1 times negative 1. Okay, and then do 0. 2 times 0 squared. We're putting 0 in here. We're putting the numbers in here, squaring it. That's what we're doing, is substituting in. 0 times 2 is 0, so your ordered pair is 0, 0. Okay, I would choose 1 next. 2 times 1 squared. Okay, so 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. Notice the pattern. And then negative 2 next. Negative 2. 2 times negative 2 squared. That's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Notice the pattern. Okay? So negative 2 is 8. Negative 1 is 2. 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 8. Parabola. Okay, go ahead, try doing these on your own. Make a table. This parabola is going down. Do the square first. Okay, always then multiply it times negative 2. Do the square first, then minus 3. This one you need a different, okay, I want positive and negative graph. Goes this way too. Okay, just imagine it extending this way. And then do a table on a scratch sheet of paper for number 12, okay? Do a table on a graph. Okay, this one we finished up to this one, so make sure you follow the y, minus 25. That's 0, you minus 25. So here you got 5y equals to negative 2x minus 25. Then you divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, divide all of it by that. You get negative 2 over 5x minus 5 here. There we go. At the end of the school year, I want all of you to start correcting my careless mistakes, okay? Because you guys should get really good at this. Follow the y. We want to get rid of, let's say the 2x first. We minus 2x. So minus 2x here. So this is negative 2x plus 0 equals to y plus 5, right? Plus 0 you don't have to write. 0 plus anything itself. You would minus 5. Therefore, you minus 5 here, you need a minus 5 there. 0 there, and you can't combine these, so it's negative 2x minus 5 equals to y, or y equals to negative 2x minus 5, whichever way you want to write it. Graph that. I hope you know how to graph this one. I didn't graph it, I just assume you know. It's at negative 5, down 2, 1, 2, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going up 2 over 5 this way, like that. And here I hope you know how to graph this. At negative 5, going down 2 over 1. This is down 2, right 1. I'm looking for your graph, making sure it's correct. I want you to do this on your own on number 18, okay? And then these two problems I wanted you to change, number 21 and 23. And want to see if most of you know how to do this. So hopefully you know how to do the rest based on paper. My only concern was something like this. You guys were having what you need to do. I saw a lot of mistakes on that one, on the other worksheet. So you need to make additive inverse, and then you minus 4 right there. That was a lot of mistakes there from a lot of kids, okay? Be neat, please. And that would be it. It shouldn't take you too long.